Hey guys, welcome to the second session of Vedic Math. So before we start, we will chant Gayatri Mantra 3 times. So that is how we will start every week, every time whenever we do a math session. Can you hear me?
We got it.
You can all unmute yourselves.
Are you ready to sing it along? You know it, right? Yeah. Good job.
Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaritaravarenyam
We haven't started.
You can stop. That's how in Hindi.
I can't hear anything. It's too loud.
It's okay. You can sing. You know the song.
Thank you for listening to this. So I feel that everybody is new here, so let's start from the beginning. Do you have paper and pen with you? So Vedic mathematics. I know the children are very small here. Vedic mathematics came from Atharva Veda. You can write in your notebooks. So its origin is from Atharva Veda. There are 4 Vedas: Rigveda, Samveda, Atharvaveda, and Yajurveda. So Vedic mathematics came from the Atharva Veda. And who was the person who read those Vedas and let us know about this Vedic math? His name was Bharati Tirthji. So he discovered this. So you will be saying, what is the purpose of this Vedic math? I know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Why would I use this Vedic math? That is what I will be telling you today. That Vedic math is not for doing those calculations. You will be thinking that 23 plus 42, I know, like usually you will do this, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, and 4 plus 2 equal to 6. So that there is nothing wrong. But there are different ways in Vedic mathematics so that your brain will work more. So what are the main features of Vedic math? I know some may not follow because their kids are very small. Usually it should be 3rd grade and above. So what are the main features of Vedic mathematics? So it increases your focus. Increases focus. Number 2, improves creativity. You become more creative. Number 3, increases mental agility. What does that mean? That as we grow older, our brain starts like not working. If we do not exercise our body, we become sick. Similarly, if we do not exercise brain, our brain stops working. So this makes your brain really work hard. So increases, we say, mental agility. And it is fun. Good. So these are the few things. Just remember that it is another way of doing the same question. For example, you are doing addition, there is another way. You are doing multiplication, another way. Who knows multiplication here? Okay, Anush knows. And Mira, do you know? Agasti, Anvi?
No.
Okay, you don't know, that's fine. Shivansh, do you know? You want to put your video on? And there are few.
I know multiplication.
You know multiple, because then only we will do those questions. Otherwise, it will be of no use. So first you should be knowing basic multiplication for the multiplication. For example, who can do this question?
Do this. Come on, do it.
Okay, let's do it and send the answer in chat. Do you know how does the chat work?
Yeah, we'll teach them.
So yeah, if you, there is a more button and down there is a chat. So just send the answer. Yeah, everybody knows. Shivansh got the correct answer. Sanvi got correct. Anush, good job. Let's go. All the answers. How many are we here? We should be, all should be working. So we are here 7. So I think some kids are late, so they just joined. If I do the same question like 21 plus 22, but now I will start with the, here I did from right to left, we say. Right to left. So if I start from the left to right, okay, Anush, what will you do first? If I start from left to right.
So in left to right, on the left side, there's the tens. So you need to first add the tens, then add the ones.
Good. So we will do 2 plus 2 equal to
4.
and 2 plus 1, 3. So you will be thinking there is no much difference. Yeah, exactly. There is nothing. Here is 43, here is 43, but here we started from here to here, but here we are going from here to here. Let's do few of the questions. 5, 4 plus 24. Sanvi, what is 54 plus 24?
78.
78.
Okay. Now you did. How did you do this question?
I first added 4 plus 4, which is 8, and then I added 5 plus 2, which is 7.
Yeah, that's right. Now, if the same question we do from left to right, left to right, what will you do first? Left to right means you will do first this, and then
Is no difference.
there is no difference. That is correct, but it is the method. So there will be no difference in answer ever, but that is the method we'll be following the different way. And why, I will tell you in a minute. 28 plus 93. Shivansh.
Okay.
Mhm. Everybody, okay, answer, yeah. Keep on sending. Everybody should be sending the answer in chat. Meanwhile, if I am asking anybody, but you should be sending answer in chat. I am looking at the chat. Nidhi, yeah, I forgot. Sorry, Nidhi, you were
121.
correct. So first we did that right to left. What is 8 plus 3? 11. And 9 plus 2 is also 11 and then 12, right?
Yeah.
But now if you do left to right, then what will you do?
2 plus 9. 2 plus 9
Mhm.
will equal 11, and then 8 plus 3 will equal 11.
But then what will happen? You won't write like that, right?
Yeah.
What will you do here?
So we can do it the other way. So then we aren't gonna write 4 ones. So then we can take 1 from 11, the 8 plus 3 one, and then add it to the 2 plus 9 one.
So that is the thing, because you will be seeing here, it is 11. So 11, but you have to look back in the ones digit and see, is there a carry from there, right? So 8 plus 3 is 11. You have to keep that, see, when you are here, you have to check that very time, this one also. So you found then step 1, you found that this is 11, but you look back here and see this is also 11. So there is a carry. So you will add that 1 to here and make it 12. Does it make sense? So that is why it says that it increases the memory. Why it increases memory? Vedic math, it says increases memory. Because you are keeping that 1 in the memory, right? So you have to keep that 1 in the mind while meanwhile doing this part. Like when you are doing this part, you have to know that there is a carry. So that is why it increases the memory, because your mind is working a lot rather than this like the traditional method. You just go right to left, you do 8 plus 3 is 11, you put a carry over here, your mind has do nothing, but you know, like you do whatever is there on the board. But here you have to keep it in mind, so you have to memorize. So that is why it increases the memory. We say that Vedic math method, if you do a lot of questions like that, if you make it like your addition, all the sums you will do like this, your mind will become sharper and it increases the memory. Okay, so now we will be practicing. Everybody keep your eye on the board and send the answers in the chat. Do left to right. Remember, do not do right to left. Okay, keep on sending chat. I'm checking your answers. You just name the questions. Good. Who is name? 1, 2. Good job, Sam. You're saying. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that I can keep the track. But remember, do left to right. So, Anvi, what about question number 7?
Can you say that again?
Question number 7. Is it right? Shivansh and August, put the question numbers also. Because then I can that is not right, Sami. Question number 7. And Shivansh, Agasti, you had put the question numbers down there so that I can follow which answer is what question number. But make sure you are doing left or right. Let's go, guys. Finish. Good job. Is it hard? What do you think?
Not that hard, but it's also not that easy.
Yeah.
So yeah, I know. Is the original method easier?
I think I need help with number 7 because I don't understand what is wrong.
Okay. What is 5 plus 2?
That's 7.
Yeah.
7. But remember, you had to look back here. Is there a carry from there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then 7 will become what?
8.
Yeah.
And this will become
86.
86, right?
Thanks.
Let's go, guys. Shivansh, you finished 4, right? Agasti, you finished how many? Put the if you put the question numbers like Sanvi are doing good job. Put like 786 like that, so that I know which question number is this. Agasti, I did put like 1, 1, 2, and 2. That is question number 2. What is that? So Nidhi, sorry Nidhi, I forgot your child's name. But
Savia, I'm Adya.
I'm Adya,
okay.
and I'm just asking, are my answers correct? I'm just wondering, since I'm not really good at this math thing.
Yeah, I know. I'm just checking. Yeah, look. What about last one? What is that 1-3?
113.
Yeah, that like 1-3. I see the last one. What is that? Oh, it is 113. It should be 113, right? The last.
Yes, it is. 113.
Good job.
Oh.
Okay, we have a few more minutes. Still, kids are doing. Nice job, Shivansh. So you are done. Shivansh is done. Sanvi and Sanvi is done. Anush, you have a few more, right?
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get it. Why do you have to start from left to right?
So you are doing right to left, right, in school, correct?
My school already ended.
And what grade are you?
I used to go to first grade, but now I'm going to second.
Yeah. That is why I encourage kids who are grade 3 and plus, because otherwise maybe you'll get confused with the method and you will start like if you are in grade 2 and below and you are still starting all those operations, it is not advisable to do.
I haven't done these kind of maths before.
That is true. So this is another, for example, if you know English, it is the another type language.
Yes, I know that language.
Yeah. So you know Kashmiri also, right?
No.
A little, but maybe you are.
My mama and dada know Kashmiri, but right now I haven't learned it yet.
Exactly. When you go to grade 5 or grade 6, you may learn one more language, something Spanish or whatever, French or something like that. So different way. That is why it is good for grade 3 and up.
All the languages I can really speak is English and Hindi.
I know when you grow up, you can learn more languages and but you can still understand that English, right? So that is why we are doing this like this. You used to do in school like this and this. 3 + 2,
no.
4 + 2.
Right now at home, I'm doing that.
I know. But then if I start teaching another way, you might get confused with that.
Wait. So is it okay if you're going to third grade, but you're actually not a third grader, and you only know English and Hindi, add a little bit of Kashmiri?
Okay. So let's go back to math questions. Whosoever who is done. Is Agasti and Shivansh? Okay, let's do a little bit simpler question so that everybody is. What is 6 plus 4? What is 6 plus 4? Say aloud. 10, right?
10.
If I make a circle, look at this. What is this? A circle, right?
Circle. A big circle.
Yeah. So here I can write 10. I'll make it like a clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have noise in the background, then 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is called 10-point circle. So draw in your notebook. So this is called 10-point
Circle. Mama.
10-point circle. What is this called? Ayush.
It's Anush.
Anu, sorry. Anu, what is 9 plus 1?
9 plus 1 is 10.
So what will we write here? 9 plus 1 is equal to
10.
10. Sami, what is 8 plus 2?
10.
Shivansh, what is 7 plus 3?
7 plus 3 is 10. I get it. Whenever you're gonna ask us a question, it'll equal 10.
Mira, what is 6 plus 4?
Meera, what is 6 plus 4?
Mama, can I do? That's
Yeah.
That's okay. Also, Agasti, let's go.
10.
Agasti. Very good. 6,
10,
because
10.
sometimes I can't see all of your names, so that is the. Now, see, remember these pairs. So we have 9 plus 1 equal to 10, 8 plus 2 equal to 10, 7 plus 3 equal to 10, 6 plus 4 equal to 10. And we know that 5 plus 5 is 10, right? 5 plus 5 equal to 10. And also 10, like 10 is 10, or we can say 10 plus 0 equal to 10. Using this is called completing the whole. So whenever you have questions of addition, for example, okay, first write down this in your notebook. This is called 10-point circle. Make a circle and put these numbers down. Yes, Mira.
I have to go somewhere different. Yeah.
Can you say thank you for teaching me math?
Thank you for teaching me.
See you, Mira. Have fun. Bye-bye.
And we have to go somewhere, sorry.
No problem.
Okay, thank you. This is really interesting. I learned something new. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Whatever is on board, write down in your notebook. Because then after a few days, you will remember, hey, I have done that in class.
I've written.
Done?
Yes.
When you are done, yeah, give me a thumbs up. Okay, Agasti is done. Anush is done. Sanvi, you done?
Yes. Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
I know these questions.
Really? What grade are you?
I haven't even started. I'm in PK. I'm about to go to kindergarten in August.
Oh, but you are very smart. You already know, right, Anika?
Yeah.
Nice job. Where is your notebook, Anika? You should be also writing.
My notebook is.
Good job. So, okay, Shivansh, are you done? So this is called completing the whole. What does that mean? Shivansh done? How much time?
Like 1 more minute because I have to do 6 to 4.
Okay. Okay, one last minute. Good job. So, Anush, if I ask you a question, what is 54 plus 26? What will you say?
So 54 plus 26
Mhm.
will equal 80.
Sanvi, what is 63 plus 77?
Are we doing this the new method that you taught us? Like
Yeah,
the
you can do the new method.
Okay, what's the question again?
67 plus 23.
Okay. That
That's
is
mine. See, I will be asking now few questions. First, let Shivansh, are you done? Okay.
Yes.
So let's stretch a little bit. What does this completing the whole means again? Completing. This is the completing the whole. For example, 12 plus. We know that in the previous page that if you have one, see, 9 and 1 makes 10, right? Correct? And 8 and 2 makes 10. 7 and 3 makes 10. 6 and 4 makes 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. So we remember that. So keep that in mind. Now, if we go to this, completing the whole, if I had now 12 plus 18, what should I do? How should I do this question? Just think about 8 and 2. What is 8 and 2? What does it make?
10.
10, right? It will make 110. So 8 plus 2 is 110. You have already how many tens? How many tens are there? 2 tens. So 2 tens, and with this 8 and 2, that is 110. 2 tens plus 110 is how many tens? 3 tens, right? So looking at the ones place, for example, if you have any question that makes like this, 24 plus 26. How many tens are in tens place? Because if you look at the ones place, there is a 110, right? So you have 110 plus, and you have how many? 4. Good job, Sanvi. 4 tens, right? 4 tens plus 110 is equal to 5 tens or 50, right? So you will look at not, you will do the traditional method. 6 plus 4 is 10, and then 1 is the carry, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 is 5. No, you won't do that. You will just use that strategy. Oh, I have 110 here, and there are 4 tens, and that becomes 50. So this is completing the whole again. Completing the whole, that means look at the ones digit and check if that makes 110, then you have to just count the other tens. Let's do this. 73 plus 27. Agasti. Everybody send the answer in chat, but use that method of completing the whole. What do you think, Agasti? How many tens are in the tens place and how many are in ones place? Yes, we are using the completing the whole method.
There are 7 ones, 7 tens.
Yeah, 7 tens. So there are 7 tens, and how many are here?
2
Very
tens.
good, very good. So 7 plus 2 is how many tens?
9 tens.
Awesome. So 7 plus 2 is 9 tens plus. What does this 7 plus 3, what does it make?
10.
110. So 910 plus 110 is equal to how much?
19.
No, 9 tens means 90. 110 means 10. How much is that?
90 plus 10.
100.
100.
Yeah. Right, Sanvi? What did you write? What was it? Yeah, that's right. So 100. Make sense? So similar, if you have 28 plus 22, fast. Who can do this? Anush. Okay, next Shivant. Anush, tell me.
It's 50.
Very good. Good job. 50. Now we won't be writing this. Now you have to do mind. So Shivansh, 32, 34 plus 66.
Let's do this. So 6 plus 4 is 110.
Very good.
Then 3 plus 6 would equal 9. So that equals 9 tens.
9 tens, that is 90 plus 110 is equal to?
100. So 100 will be our answer.
Awesome. Very good. Let's go to Sanvi. 121 plus 19. Everybody do it, send in chat. Sanvi, can you tell me how we'll do this?
So you will do 12 tens plus 110, which is 13 tens.
Mm-hmm.
And then 13 tens plus 110 is 14 tens. Another way to write that is 140.
Good job. So if you have questions like that, you can, for example, 223 plus 127. What will you do here? Okay. Sanvi rose the hand. Who else? Anybody else? Shivansh? Anush? Let's do Anush. Good.
So since we know that 7 plus 3 is 10,
Good.
then it's simple. So like 200 plus 100 is 300, and then 20 plus 20 equals 40. And then since we know that 7 plus 3 is a 10, we just added another 10 to that. So that equals 350.
Very good job. Nicely done. Awesome. 324 plus 536. Sanvi, good.
Did you ask me?
Yeah.
Okay. So since 4 plus 6 is 110, we will add that to 2 plus 3, which is 5, plus 1, which is 6. So right now it's 860.
Very good. So first, yeah, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 800s, right? And then how many tens are there?
5.
5. And then one more you are adding, right?
Yeah, this is 6. So this is 8.
Awesome job. Next, Shivansh. Four. Go ahead, Shivansh.
Okay, so wait. Okay, so should I do it the school way?
No, that is the point. You don't have to do this. First, add the hundreds. How many hundreds are there?
Okay, 2 plus 1 equals 3.
So 300s, right?
Yeah, 300. 3.
Then how many tens?
3 plus 6 equals 9.
9 tens. And then?
And then 2 plus 4 equals 6.
Very good. So, Nidhi, can I change her name? Because I want to call her, but
Yeah, you can change her to Adya. She's
A-D-Y-A?
yeah, AADYA.
Because I don't want to mispronounce.
Yeah, no, that's
So, hey Adya, sorry about it. I was not calling you because yeah.
no, she was putting in the text message.
I saw that putting, but yeah, just like that.
She's just in the bathroom right now, so you can give her the next one.
I changed somebody else. Hold on. I think I changed somebody else's.
You changed my name.
Oh, I know that. Sorry about that. Can you change back to Anush?
Yeah.
So it is good to have the kids name because then I can name. Okay, so let's go few more questions about that. 1234 plus, who can do that?
Excuse me? You named Adya and me. You named Adya and me.
I think when I click it moves. Can you guys, yeah, if you can rename your names.
No, it's not me. It's Adya. You named Adya Anush. Yeah. There's 2 Anushas in the meeting.
Okay, if you can change your names, change it. Otherwise, because it moves me up and down and sometimes it gets messed up. If I have a rename,
Adya needs to rename her name. Yeah.
I changed it to Adya again. That's fine.
because it moves up and I don't know what happened, though I clicked this. So let's go back. Who can do this? Augusti, you want to do it? Is it hard? Okay, Augusti, can you do?
No,
Yeah. What about this?
it's just that because I haven't done like the bigger facts before.
Okay, no, do this one. And who wants to do the bigger one? Okay, do everybody do this question and send the answer in chat. But remember, do the other way, not your school way. So Augusti, you can do this one. Go ahead.
I'm gonna solve this in a different way on my book.
Now, look at here. How many tens are here? 2 tens, 1 10. Count them. How many are 2 plus 1 10? 2 10 plus 1 10 is how many tens? 3 tens, right? So 30 plus 1 10, that is 10. It will seem harder, but then it will become easier, Augusti. And everybody. It may look harder, or I want to do my traditional way or what conventional way, but then after some time it will become easier. Who knows multiplication here? Anush, Shivansh, and Sanvi. Adya, do you know?
Yeah, she knows, but she's still not back. Sorry.
And who else is here? Okay. Now let's do, at the end, we will do something about the multiplication. Let's go. Are you done with this question? 1, 2, 3,
I'm not,
4, 5, 6.
I haven't got my answer in.
Okay, put in the chat. Good job, Anush. Nicely done. Let's go one more. So this same completing the whole can apply to any numbers. You see at the ones digit or 1, 6, 6, 8. Do it with completing the whole. Now count the thousands. Third graders can do this because you might be having good addition. This. So count first thousands. Count the hundreds. Is there a carry? Pass that to the thousands place. That's what you have to do. So yeah, keep on doing.
Can I tell you something?
Hold on, Augusti, at the end of the class.
Okay.
Try, Augusti.
These days, yeah, I'll try, but these days people are telling me words that I don't even know what they mean. So I'll try.
Sami, check again. The answer. Is it right? You have when you added the thousands, but you had to check, is there a carry from the hundreds place? That's right. Anush, you done? Okay, put in the chat. Shivansh. Okay. So here you will come, 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3,000. But you will check from hundreds place. Is there a carry? You say, yeah, there is a carry, so we'll get 4,000. Then, yeah, there is a lot of things to check. Then you will say 1,200. And then how many tens are there?
Auntie,
Nine.
I can't see your presentation. Something happened to my screen.
Okay, you can. We are almost done, Agasti.
I can't see your presentation.
Is your mom?
No, she's not here right now.
Okay, don't worry. We are almost done, Agasti. So you will go check the like the hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? There are 300s, and then there are 0 10s and 0 1s. So at the end, if whosoever knows the multiplication, I will tell you, if you have to multiply 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 times 11, what is that equal to? Whosoever knows the multiplication?
I didn't know that good multiplication, so yeah.
I can do it.
Who? Anu? Who can do it? Auguste?
No, some kind of no multiplication.
Okay, you will do like this 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, right?
The only ones I can actually get is 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, it is a double digit, though maybe some of you do
It's
not.
actually 1, 2, 3, and 5. 5 is the easiest for me. And I also know 10 and 11.
So I will tell you one method today. Write down this one as is, and then add them together. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then add 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. And write down that one back. So this is the answer. If you have to multiply by 11, you write down this as is, and then add this to this, this to this, this to this, and this to this, and write down this back. If you have 1, 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1, 1, what is that equal to? So that is how many ones are there? 4, right? So that would be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That would be 4. The answer would be 4. 4 times 1 is 4.
No, Augusti. 1, 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you are multiplying 1, 1 times 1, 1, that is equal to 1, 2, 1. If you are 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1, that will be equal to 1, 2, 3,
100,
1.
101? That?
Look at
I
here.
don't get it. I don't get it.
So whosoever knows multiplication. So if you have one, we say that you are multiplying 1, 1, 1, 1, and with the same number of ones. This is called square. When you grow up, you will find out. So if you are multiplying 3 ones by 3 ones, this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So what did we learn today? Sami, go ahead.
We learned different methods of math and,
What is that called?
one is called
See, completing the whole. That was the main thing we learned, right? Because some kids are here smaller. So completing the whole.
Took a whole page though.
We went to that, that circle, the round, go back to this 10-point circle. So remember this 10-point circle. So main topic today was this completing the whole and this 10-point circle. Whenever you have digits like that makes this pairs, if you have to do addition, which are ending with these like 7 and 3, 6, 4, 8, 2, 9, 1, you can figure out its addition by, as you know, we collect how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there, how many ones are there. Right? So you can implement, like use this method when you do the school problems. When you have to do the math in school, figure it out, but do not do just like 2, 3 plus 7, 7, that's 7 plus 3 equal to 10, 7 plus 2 equal to 9. No, think about, hey, how many hundreds are, how many tens are there? How many ones are there? Oh, 10 ones. Then come by using this completing the whole method, you can answer that question. Hope you can use this method in your future questions. And awesome job, everybody here. Good job, guys.
Awesome job, kids. For an introductory session, it was heavy. Thank you, Sunita, to kind of maneuver it around the kids.
Yeah. So just, yeah, this one is good. Make sure that you remember the circle. That is it.
So if you come in the future classes, you'll then have a refresher course as well, right? And then you can go beyond. This is like basically the introduction only. Shivansh, you had a question?
I think Anush has a question.
Oh, Anush, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so basically, like you told, any number multiplied by 11, that way that makes it easy. What
Yeah.
happens if the two numbers, like, say there's a number where there's like a 9 and a 1, like a 9 and a 1, which makes 10, then what do we do?
9, 1 times 11, you mean?
No, by that, like, if you make a number like 6, 3, 2, 1, 9. If you add 9 plus 1, that equals a 10. So then what do you do there?
So are you multiplying or adding?
Multiplying by 11. That number by 11.
Oh yeah, that is now a little bit some more because then there is a carry, right? So that carry goes to the next. That is it.
Bye-bye.
Then the tens ones goes into the next number. So like it goes into 2 and then 2 becomes a 3.
Correct.
Okay. Thank
Okay. I can go over that thing in the next session. I know there are little things. Good job, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Awesome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.